nice gentleman is
No, I'm
recording
glad he's here.
everything.
I'm glad,
and I'm glad too, mate, because what you're trying to do is punish me from the start. You still haven't checked my car for drugs, which is why I'm in handcuffs. And I've asked him to untie it, and he still hasn't. So thank you. Check the car. It's fine. I am calm, officer. He's recording me now.
What I'm not happy about, my camera's been on since I came over here.
Thank you very much. So we're gonna take it up with the court. I just don't want to hear you no more at all, mate.
You know
just don't talk to me, please. Just do your job. Check for your call. Just please, officer, you're gonna get me aggravated. I'm asking you respectfully. Don't talk to me anymore. Please, you can see me. I will be calm. Just leave me alone and do your job. Check your insurance. Well, no worries. I'll come closer. Just keep your mouth closed because you're talking right now and it's annoying me. Please leave it.
But I need to inform you of what's going on.
I don't need to know. Just do your job. And when we come out of the cuffs, which I will at the same time, it's fine. That's when I'll go and we'll check it up later on. Just shush. Thank you. That's all I want. Can't help yourself, officer. Can you not just respect my wishes? I'm not going to spit at all. I was shouting because you lot have scraped my skin. And I've told you, why are you putting me in cuffs? Do you understand? It wasn't me spitting at you, and you know that. There's not, well, the camera will see it. I'm not seeing it. I'm talking with passion because at the end of the day, you blocked your van on a blocked road and no witnesses are still waiting for you while you got me in cuffs. Do you understand? To speak to you. And they're witnesses as well for this crime that you lot are putting against me, mate. What the hell? Look, you're not even doing your job. She's still outside her house waiting for you because you decided to come do this to me for no reason.
You weren't no seatbelt.
I was wearing a seatbelt, officer. And when your camera shows that, it will. So don't worry.
It's plugged in round the back.
It's fine. Wherever it's plugged in down the way, you can put it in court when you defend me for the court, right? That's fine. That's what we're gonna go to court, officer, mate. Trying to punish me for some weird reason. My wrist is hurting. I'm definitely gonna have to get this checked out now. You've scraped my skin. Do you understand? This is a joke, bro. So I don't want to talk to you. Just do your checks, man. Honest to God, bro.
Are you alright with these guys coming up and filming you?
Of course I am. They're my public citizens.
No, you just got inside his personal. He's actually agitated at the moment.
The hell?
He might not like you. I'm just checking it because he's agitated.
It's not agitation, brother. I swear I've been bullied right now. All because look, take the camera right there. I'm coming out the road. It's a one way. I've asked him to move. Come shouting at me. I parked here. I've told him I want your badge number. You know what? You's not wearing a seatbelt. You know this guy, bro. You get me? He's put on his camera. You can see I took my seatbelt off to come out the car. So I don't know what he's on about. But all I'm telling you right now is I haven't done nothing wrong. He's just trying to punish me right now for no reason. So if he wants to let me go, we can go our separate ways. If he doesn't, it's fine. But it's no worries. Just do your job, sir. You get me? You came in for apparently a witness, and all of a sudden I'm your #1 prime suspect for drugs, and I want my search slip, please, because I'm not having this today. I swear to God. There's no way I expected my day to just go like this. All because I asked you to move your van and you're blocking it. Because you're police officers, you shouldn't even be blocking that. You lot know as well. Your own selves, mate. So don't talk to me about calm down when you put me in cuffs and scrape my skin off. And you literally, my whole wrist is swollen now, man. Joking. Proper joking. Hello. Say that again? I can't hear you. Can you repeat yourself, please? Okay, no problem. No worries. If anything, I know as I wait. They wonder why I'm so angry. Literally left imprints on my arm and the whole flipping wrist is swollen.